I'm Keri, founder of Kerikit, versatile bags for busy lifestyles. Today I wanted to do a little video just to kind of give you an overview about our range. This is the Lennox. Again, this has been such a popular style for us. It's just such a nice bag. It looks like a normal handbag, which is what I think the draw has been for so many people. You've got this lovely wide strap. So I've designed handbags for like 25 years now, and I've got 3 children. So I've kind of designed these products so that they can be really versatile but also make your life much easier. Now the thing with the Lennox is you've got the 2 options with the straps, and you can wear the bag as a crossbody. I'm just going to show it you on here. That's at a really nice length. You've still got lots of length left to make the bag longer if you want to. If you want to wear it on a shoulder strap, then you can take these off. As I said, really simple. They just unclip on either side, and then you've got it just as a normal sort of handbag style. It slouches beautifully. This one's fully stuffed at the moment, so that kind of gives you an idea of what it would look like if it was full, but it's just so great. It's got pockets on the front, it's got a single pocket on the back. Okay, so let's dive inside now and take a look. We've got this beautiful zip top that gives you added security. On the inside you've got the zip top multi-use bag that comes with every single bag of Kerikits, and if you opt for the baby changing bag, then you can buy the changing mat, which is just £10 as a separate purchase. So inside, look at that, it's all waterproof lined with our Kerikit logo jacquard. You've got your security pocket on the inside here, so you can house away anything really important, such as your passport or some jewellery, or any essential items that you just want to keep really safe and tucked away. You've got the little tab which you can hang your keys on, or a dummy. And then inside, like all our bags, it's quite a similar layout. So over here you've got 2 elasticated pockets. So when you're in baby mode, you can put your nappies in there and your wipes on the other side. If you're in mum mode, it's a great place to put your phone, your wallet, your toiletries, deodorants, anything like that. And in work mode, again, it's a great place to put cables or your mouse or any of the items that you might need for work every day. A notepad would fit in there as well. Just flipping it round onto the end. What's really great is on the inside is you've got these 2 end pockets. They're actually insulated if you need them, which is great for keeping bottles warm or cool for longer periods. And then flipping it round to the other side, we've got this padded integrated laptop sleeve. So you can fit a laptop in there, an iPad, a book, a magazine, or anything that you just want to keep in a nice padded section at the back here. And it's got a nice press stud as well to keep it closed when it's not in use. This bag, I would say, is perfect for anyone that wants to use it for work, as a day bag, as a fashion bag. You could probably just about fit enough for an overnight stay in there as well. We've also got nice little details. As I said, we just like to make beautiful bags at Kerikit. So there's this lovely little zip top, which is just an extra detail. And we've got this lovely key ring. So this is all leather, and it's just really nice to play with. And I've heard lots of children really like to play with this when they're little babies, and it's just a nice little thing to give them to keep their attention for a while if you're trying to have a coffee with friends. Again, we can personalise them, which is a really nice idea. So that's the Lennox, and hopefully that gives you a little bit more of an idea about how and who I think this bag would be perfect for. I hope that you found that useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can always drop me an email at contact@kerikit.com. We are on Facebook as well, and we're on Instagram. On Instagram you can send me a direct message. It's me that runs it, so I will answer all your questions. Another way to get in touch, which is really exciting, is we have a new Facebook group which is called the Kerikit Kit Girl Community. If you do a search on there, you can come. It's a closed group where we offer support, we offer advice. If you have any questions about the bag, we have lots of other people on there that are like brand ambassadors that have the bags, and they can give you their honest opinion before you make a purchase. And that's kind of it really from me. I really hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking the time to watch this video, and do pop by on my website kerikit.com to see the full range. Bye bye!